What's up, guys? Zach from Reckless here, and we're gonna install, that's not good on my face. We are gonna install a steering wheel today from HESS. Come follow us along. Quick little install. Hopefully it'll be nice and easy. All right, well, we got the HESS steering wheel in to replace the factory one. I cannot believe how long I've been rocking this factory steering wheel, but on these longer races, it gets a little fatigued in your hands, and maybe that HESS steering wheel with the quick disconnect will help out with that. So I figured I might make a little video of doing the steering wheel install. See how it goes. All right, here's all my parts. Actually, there's a lot more parts in here. There's a handful of parts from Hostile Racing for their net system, but here is the new setup. So there's the quick disconnect. I kind of mocked it up over the house just because I wanted to see what it looked like, but pretty fancy. Got some green stitching inlaid in there. And realistically, with the color scheme of this buggy, we could have went with any color. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna do this real nice because I care about it so much, this factory stuff. Yeah. Nice. Let's see. Yeah. I guess we got to find a, let's get maybe 7. No, it's got to be 19. 21? Whatever size nut that is. And then I'll see if I have a puller to pull that off or if it's loose. My guess is it's probably tight and is going to require a puller, which we are going to have to jerry rig. All right. Well, I was way off. It's a 24. Hey, look. I spy with my eyes some little Recklesses. What are you girls doing?
We're bringing you your drink.
Woohoo! All right. Based off of that, that's probably going to be very tight. You didn't see me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See you very bad.
Well, hi.
Hi.
Careful. Oh, you almost took a tumble. Dude, back up. You listen so well. At least you got your shoes on the right feet. That's a plus.
Here's a boot.
Thank you.
Yep.
Trying to put the new steering wheel on here. And it is pretty stuck.
We're gonna have to take the old one.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put a puller on it for sure. All right, Emma's got the camera. So I was wrong. It is not tight. Check this out. Just like that. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
That's right. Here, you want a steering wheel? There you go.
I want a steering wheel.
Maybe Emma wants a steering wheel.
Definitely want a steering wheel.
Oh, as soon as you said that, now she wants it. All right, so
It's mine, Riley.
let's see if we can't get this piece out. So this is the little piece that should be replacing that part. I don't know if it clocks a certain way or not.
Dad,
What?
can I try it? Me and Riley just walked across the field. Mommy or Daddy?
Hi, do I look like your mommy?
To try it out.
There's nothing to try out yet, baby girl.
Try it out even.
There's nothing to try out, baby.
To try it out though.
If I have to repeat myself one more time, I'm gonna lose my noodle.
It
Oh, there is a way it goes on there.
Daddy. There's a certain way that it has to go on.
What?
This means to be washed.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, that's funny.
It really does. But
All right, well, there's 3 little dimples here, and there's a bunch of little dimples here, which correlate, it looks like, with these. So I'm going to set the 3 little dimples on top. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's what we're going to do. And we'll find out if it's wrong or maybe you guys will tell us. Someone will yell at me, tell me I'm an idiot. And now that's stuck in there.
Dad always gets things stuck and then uses weird things to get them out.
Hey, man, if it works, it works. There we go. Loud noises.
You can see all the dust. You can see all the dust. You can see all the dust in the video.
Riley, Dad, stop. Well, all that's left really is I just need to clock these bearings the right way
Really?
with this deal, and we'll tighten that down, and then we'll plug it on there. All right, well, my filmers got bored. So we got this all rotated. We got those 3 little nipples straight up, little ball bearings. The bigger ones down below, which should align with that, hopefully, maybe. As long as the steering wheel's straight, which it looks kind of straight-ish. Anyway, let's see what happens. This sun is really messing with my video. Hold on a minute. Y'all are on the iPhone, not the fancy GoPro, so. All right, so let's see. There we go, just like that. You know what? I think we're gonna have to change that a little bit because I believe that is crooked. I can't tell. Yeah, maybe. I think we're gonna have to take that nut back off and put that adapter slightly more straight up because that is going to annoy the ever-living turds out of me if that is slightly off. So now this is going to be stuck on here for sure. Oh, you butthole. I'll be back. When in doubt. Oh, I'm fucking retarded. God dang, how many times do I gotta take this on and off? How did I fuck that one up, man? Oh boy. Alright. I think that's where we should be. Okay. Alright, so we got some Loctite on there. I think we got this right this time. Let's try this out again. With any luck, we'll be driving straight. Hammer it till it stops. That's probably tight enough. How many Ugga-Duggas is that? About 18 Ugga-Duggas. There we go. All right. Now I got to figure out how to put my push to talk in here a little better, other than, because it should. I might have to buy a new one. Because for temporarily we'll just do this, but. Long term, I think I'm gonna have to get another push to talk button. Weird. That's pretty neat. Sweet. All right, man, that feels so much better. Again, that's temporary. I got to get a new one of those, but that's a super simple install, and it's fairly tight for a quick disconnect system. Sometimes these quick disconnects can be pretty floppy. I'm happy with this HESS one. It's pretty nice. Yeah, that's way in the way. But anyway, that's it for now. We'll see you guys on the next one, and hopefully we'll be installing these window nets. I think the bend is a little off, so I don't know if I can bend them myself or if we're gonna have to send it back. We'll see what happens. Anyhow, see you guys on the next one.